the natural power of water, harnessed for greater force and more precision. Introducing our most powerful, most efficient Wellworth in 75 years. We began with a sleek new design, but the real beauty of the new Wellworth lies in its revamped flush. Our engineers have developed a proprietary canister flush valve, which harnesses the force of a gravity-fed flush like never before. The power comes from a 3-to-2 ratio between valve intake and outlet, sending water rushing into the system from 360 degrees. Along with this power comes unprecedented precision, and with greater than 50% more water passing through the rim than previous models, the flush delivers a longer-lasting rinse, resulting in a cleaner bowl. All while using less water with highly efficient 1.28 and 1.6 gallon per flush models. Because we're able to use less water so efficiently, the new Wellworth toilets meet or exceed all industry requirements. Introducing the new Wellworth toilet. Powerful. Plug-free. Clean. Efficient. Without sacrificing performance. Our best Wellworth ever. Exceptional performance. Exceptional value.